Welcome to Memang Vlog! For today's video, magta-try tayo nitong tamilok.
Ito uod, ito po ay pamilya ng mga mollusk.
Oh, best kalma, hindi naman pala uod eh. Tara, itry natin. Nandito kami sa Sabang Beach sa Puerto Princesa at akalain mo yun, nakahanap pa kami ng ganito. Sobrang curious talaga ako sa lasa nito at sobrang excited ako kasi ipapatry ko to sa mga kasama ko. Spoken in dollars pa naman itong mga kasama ko sa trip. Kaya tingnan natin kung kaya nalang kainin.
This is
it's huge!
As a woodworm, but the milk. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Pretty
I'm
good
fully
at it.
invested now. I tried some other things that they
Oh,
were
why they can go
Are you trying
to
it?
this.
a third time never. but you can still.
No, I mean this one.
It's a shot for you.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Ooh.
It's actually quite nice.
Oysters.
It might have been the vinegar that helped.
Okay. Is it good?
No.
At ayun na nga, hindi na natin i-explain kasi yung texture niya lang talaga yung medyo off. Pero masarap naman siya. Para lang talaga siyang lasang oyster. O diba? At inubos pa nga. Nagustuhan niya talaga. Siya pala yung taga-Russia namin kasama sa tour. Meron din kaming kasamang taga-Australia at taga-Europe. Pero siya lang yung nag-try. Ayun lang. Thank you for watching!